There's a big difference between a beat maker and a producer, and there's a reason why producers get paid a lot more money than a beat maker that you need to know. What's up? My name's Chris, also known as Manifest. I'm a full-time rock and hip-hop artist. I've sold hundreds of thousands of albums, millions of singles, and I've worked with both beat makers and producers. And I would much rather work with a producer. And let me tell you why. A producer can make beats, okay? But a beat maker typically doesn't know how to produce a song. So what's the difference here? Well, a beat maker might, loop a sample. They might have the instrumental, the drums, some samples, some guitars, play some melodies over stuff, and they might make a cool beat. But they can't finish a song. You might sing over it, you might rap over it, you might talk over it, do whatever it is you do, but they don't know how to, mix your voice. They don't know how to construct the pre-chorus and have different moments in the song and start to give some lift when you hit the chorus. They don't know how to challenge you to rewrite part of your verse so that it goes into the hook better, or how to have drops at certain points so that there's moments through the song and produce the whole song. They don't know how to, add extra pieces of the chorus at the end to keep it going, or where to put the bridge in. You know what I'm saying here? Or how long it should be for radio necessarily. A producer really has a vision for the whole song. They can make a beat, they can make any beat track you want, but they know how to produce a song and make it great. They know what vocal to put in, what EQs to do, how to make the song sound amazing and finish the song. I found myself with both hip-hop, rock beat makers, all kinds of people that were really good at getting the scratch track done, like getting the song kind of done, but it's the producer that produces that song that makes the hit. They see this song from beginning to end. I've worked with producers where they are thinking so fast and taking pieces of the hook and using this here and there and telling me to do doubles in certain parts or adding melodies in certain areas and all these things that I hadn't thought of. And it's like, wow, that's why the song is a hit. And that's the big difference between just a beat maker and a producer. Because a producer can make the beats, but the beat maker doesn't know how to finish the song. So if you're a beat maker, you want to learn about song structure. You want to learn about taking a song to the end, to the final, done, finished. And if you're a producer, I want to encourage you, or you want to become a producer, you just keep working with artists. You keep learning how to finish songs, and you'll be able to charge a lot higher prices because artists these days, they want a finished song. They don't want a demo. They want a finished song. And the more that you can take a song from the beginning to the end, that's the type of person. In fact, when I'm actually looking for a producer, or I hear a hit song, I ask the question, who is the person that really got the song done? Who is the person that really was the ideas, the brains that put the finishing touches on the song? Because sometimes you see a lot of writers, you don't know who is involved, but you want to get the mastermind behind that, and that's the producer.